Hi everybody, and welcome to Jim's Radio Shop. Working on a Canadian General Electric model G-40, and while I was working I was tapping this coil a little bit. I started hearing a clicking. I really identified it was this connection here. So I'm going to take a close-up tour here quickly of this one connection. Magnifier on. Okay. So there it is. Now, quite a few wires all bundled together in here. Now, I want you to see this wire here. See what happens when I move the top part? See this lower part down here? I peeled that away. It wasn't soldered. It was just, if you take the upper part and you move it, the lower part moves too. It's not actually soldered in there. It's actually missed when it's so hidden from view. Even the guy who soldered this missed the fact he didn't get this wire to solder in. So all this time it's just been kind of wrapped in tightly. But, and what is that connection? That's the B plus connection. That's really not a good spot to have a loose wire. So I'm not sure what problems that might have been causing on this radio. Certainly it would make it sensitive to vibration. And quite likely you could have it stop working because of that. So that'll be easy to fix. First, I just need to, I'll make the same mistake if I don't get this wire around where I can see it somewhere. Okay. Put my finger on the B plus connection there. I want the wire to be around where, there, that's probably going to do it, where I can see the piece of wire. That should work. Now put some solder on that. And that should eliminate. It's a big honking area there, so it'll take a little while to heat up. But there we are. Now everybody's soldered in there. So that has probably been that way since this capacitor was installed, which is a replacement for this capacitor. And I've now replaced this one here with this guy. And the next thing we're going to work on in the next video, we're going to try to figure out what's going on up here, where I have a potentiometer with this lead disconnected. The potentiometer is the volume. So we're going to investigate that. Thanks for watching my short video on the bad connection.